Hey everybody, Heather Lynn here. How are you this evening? I am going to show you how I go through my widgets within my back office of my WordPress website. So that is what we're going to be going over. I am going to share my screen so you can see the actual widgets that I have in the back. I'm going to show you how to make a post, and I'm going to show you how to make a page. And I'm also going to show you the different widgets and what they are used for. So let me get to the screen share here. Okay. Okay. So here, right here is your dashboard. That's basically your back office. Here you can see, the different posts that you have, how many comments you have, how many different pages you have. It also shows you what version of your WordPress you're running. And then down here, it shows you different recently published and your drafts, different things that you've typed up and you might have saved but haven't published yet. And then over here, it has different comments for you to approve or disapprove, or the comments that you already have approved. Okay, so then if you go to home, that looks like it's the dashboard also. So if you click up here, you can go to your page. Mine takes a little while to load. I think the server that mine's on is a little too slow. We're thinking about getting it upgraded. So just bear with it here. Okay, so this is showing you your actual page. And if you want to modify your page, then you go over here. Once you're on the page, then you can either edit your page or you can do different things with your widgets and your menus. So say I wanted to edit my page. Here is where I would edit my page. So I have a video player, and then I have my my icon, my logo. So if you want to add, so you could like do different, you can see it now. I added a new thing over here, right here. So these are columns, and I just go, and you can change the way it looks. But I personally want it like this for the video, so I don't have anything else right here. And then down here, and then underneath it is the logo. You can edit the row. No, that's not what I wanted. Where's that? You can clone the row, which will duplicate it. And down here, we have where I have my Pinterest, my Twitter. Now, how do you do that? You just do add a column. It's not working. There we go. Forgot what I had to press on. Okay. So you just want to toggle the row and then click right here where it says add element. So anywhere you want to toggle the row, and then you'll click on add element. So here I toggled the row, And now I'm going to click Add Element, and you can see here's a Facebook like button. Here's a Twitter button. You can add a Pinterest button for a Google button. Here's my video player. So I took a YouTube video and I actually embedded it into my WordPress directly through this widget right here. If you have code, you can enter your code right here. You just click on this and that will, let me show you. You click on it, and then what you would do is you would just put in your raw code right here. Okay, I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to delete it. So say I wanted a Facebook button there. Now my Facebook button is there. Okay. Say, let's see. Say I wanted a message box, a notification box. Now it's there. So you can enter in all of the information here, save changes. Let's see. Okay. Save changes. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So when you preview, it's going to show you what your page looks like. So down at the bottom, I should have a message box. Well, that didn't work out very well. I've never done this message box. Let's see. What is it doing? Oh, this isn't. Never mind. Message box. That's not. I was thinking that was like a comment box. That's where you add your own little message. So when you see it here, whatever message you want to put on your page, that's the message that you'll have right here. I don't want to add a message. So where was message box? There's, I thought there was, here, contact form. So contact form. Now let's preview. Now we're going to have a way for the people to contact us. Okay, so now there's a contact form for people to contact you. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Just wanted to show you the different little things that you can do. They're right there on your page. So let me. Okay, so the video player, that is this video right here. This video right here. Then the single image right here is this single image right here. And then I put in this bar. And then I have my 4 weeks your business training session that starts September 9th. I have that image there. So you'll see that right here, I believe. There's the divider. I'm not sure where that's at. Oh, there it is. And then there's the single image. And you see right above it, it's got the pin it, the tweet, and the Google Hangout. Okay. The sidebar is going to be, when I show you how to do the sidebar, all of this stuff, that is something that I'll do in a different webinar. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now your contact forms This right here, page. This form right here is for people that, for them to contact you. So this is what's on all of my pages and my posts. And then we have Mail Poet. Mail Poet is right here. This is, I just recently did a webinar on this one. This is where you can send out newsletters. You can get people to subscribe to your page. And then the premium is for a paid subscription. And then the settings is where you set everything up. So you can definitely find out the details on this in the other webinar that I just posted in our blogging inner circle. But to show you the newsletters right here, to see, these are newsletters. These are autoresponders that I have set out. So this one right here is sent daily. Every time I do a new post, then what I have posted is going to go to all of my subscribers. It'll automatically go out. And then this one right here is sent one day after somebody subscribes. This one right here is sent 5 hours after somebody subscribes. This one is sending immediately. And this one right here is sent 3 days after. And then subscribers, I'll show you. It shows you how often people have subscribed. And you'll see that I have 347 right now. And the last people who subscribed were actually today, August 13th. And then the settings. The settings is where you set everything up. And again, you can find the details on how I do this in the Blogging Inner Circle. I just did this webinar the other night. So we have the basics and then the forms. The forms is what you create to set up your opt-in form. And then your sign-up confirmation is the page that you want your form to go to. Okay. And you get to here through the settings. All right, so now your appearance. So all that was Mail Poet. So here's your appearance, okay? So this is the one I have. I have the Wow Mag. I'm not sure if you can change your appearance, to be quite honest. I have not tried to change mine, so you could definitely try. But I like the way mine is, but I believe under appearance you may or may not be able to change it based on these available updates. So customize. It's still loading. I apologize. Okay. Okay. So your site title and tagline, this is what you want your website to say. So like right here, Heather's Network, Social Media Marketing and Blogging Apprenticeship. That is right here, site title. And then your tagline is Heather's Network. Your colors. And then, so here you see that I have all of my different colors for my page. And your widgets, this I'm going to do in another webinar, but this shows you your widgets, which go on your right sidebar. So this right here is everything that's on my right sidebar. So all of this stuff. All of this that's on the right-hand side of every post and every page. I have this customized to the way I want it. And I will teach you in another webinar how I do that, and where you should have things posted. Okay. But that is under appearance, and that's under customize and widgets. Okay, so then menu. Here's your menu. This right here is your top menu bar right here. These are your different pages. So these down here are posts. These up here are called pages. Drink some water. It's too late. Sorry, my daughter was asking for some juice. Okay, so again, these right here are posts. And these right here are pages. For my particular WordPress, this up here are all posts because I have the magazine theme. That's what the Wow Mag theme is. It's a magazine theme. Okay. So that right here, and I'm going to go over this in greater detail in another webinar also. I just want to show you what everything is here in this webinar. Okay. I don't mess with these right here, so I'm not going to mess with them here in the webinar. Here's your plugins. This is why you want a lot of storage within the server. Plugins, here's the ones that I have installed. Okay, hold on, please. Okay. Here's the ones that I have installed. This one right here is to help keep the spam down. This right here, contact form 7. I use the contact form 7, so I'm actually going to deactivate this one. Okay. And then I have header and footer. That one is good for when you're using code. Video image watermark, that one's nice. So every time you add an image to your WordPress, it automatically watermarks so nobody can steal your pictures. Here, and then one is Mail Poet over here. Mobile sharing, that helps with having your website nice for the mobile users. Pinterest Pin It button, this one's really nice because that gives your audience an option to pin your picture on their Pinterest for them to be able to reference back to it. Sticky pop-up, that's this right here. So people can contact me. Ultimate Social Media Plus, that is this right here. It's within the post, and that's this right here. Okay. Let's see what other ones. And those are the ones that I primarily use. These other ones, I actually have to go through them because I may need to just delete them. So that's under installed plugins. If you want to add a new plugin, you just go to add new. And you search for plugins right here. And we'll go over that in another webinar, or you can ask questions in the blogging inner circle, and I can go over that more. So say you want to do contact form 7. And I do believe we have a document made up on how to install a plugin. If not, let me know and we can get one made up. Contact form 7. And that noise, I'm sorry, that is my daughter. So, okay. So when you search for a plugin, you want to find one that's compatible with your version of WordPress, and you want to find one that has a lot of rankings. So a lot of downloads, and it's got a lot of stars. Okay. So this is the one that I have. So, you know, you would just click on install, and then it'll ask you to activate it. But I don't want to install any right now. Okay. And then, let's see. A lot of, yep, the rest of these are just, this is like an admin, you know, who can use your website. Tools, let's see, available tools. I don't really use these too much. The ones that I went over so far are the ones that you're really going to want to keep referencing this video so you can learn how to do your page. Yes, import. I'm not even sure what these are, to be honest. Yeah, let's not even, because I don't want to mess something up on my WordPress. So, okay. Now, how to make a post. You just go up here to the top to post, and add new. So you would just enter in your title, and you would enter in your body. And then if you want to preview it, you just preview here. No hearts here. That's on my phone. And then you'll want to save it. But before you save it, you want to make sure you select a category to save it in. You create your categories. You just hit add new category, type in what you want, and then add new category. And then the featured image is for when, say, you post your post on Facebook. This is the picture that will show up with your link. That's your featured image. Okay. And then if you want to do a post, or that's for a post. And again, the posts are again, the posts are right in here, and the pages are right here. Okay. And then if you want to create a page, you just go to pages and add new. Same thing. Add new. And then you just create your title, you create your body. You want to make sure you publish it, preview it. Whoops. Preview it before you publish it, and do a featured image. Until you get really good with WordPress, don't worry about any of this stuff down here, as it is just get way too confusing for you. So unless you may not even have that, that might just be a Wow Mag feature. So that, in essence, is all there is to it. Let's see. Okay. I hope that that recorded the correct way. For some reason, it seemed like it was possibly not recording the screen share. So if not, I will redo it tomorrow. So I hope you have a great evening, and I hope that this video was of use to you. And I'm going to end the video now. So until the next video, I'll see you on the inside.